In this box right here are the Gen 2 Meta smart glasses. I've now used the Gen 1s, the Meta Oakleys, and the Gen 2s a little bit already, but let's get these ones unboxed so I can show you why these glasses are potentially a massive game changer. All right, so in the box here, we've got some documentation, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and a very solid feeling charging case with the glasses inside. This is the Wayfarer style frame, and they definitely look like Ray-Bans. Gen 2 comes out 20% thinner than the previous gen, which makes them feel more like real glasses than tech on your face. They're also not just available in the Wayfarer. You can grab these in the Skyler or Headliner 2 with a bunch of different color styles. Okay, let's talk tech. Up front is the 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, which shoots noticeably sharper images than the Gen 1s. We've upgraded to 3K video at 30 frames per second, 1080p up to 60 frames per second, and 120 FPS at 720p. They're still not replacing your phone, but they're great for hands-free capture, POV content, and quick moments when you don't want to pull out your phone camera. The LED indicator is subtle but visible, so others know when you're recording. The open ear speakers are surprisingly good, featuring more clarity, less sound leakage, and upgraded microphones for a more natural, even sound. The battery life is twice as long as the Gen 1s, lasting up to 8 hours on a single charge, 19 hours on standby mode, and up to 48 additional hours with a fully charged battery case. Lastly, pairing with the Meta app is super easy. Voice control allows you to snap photos, start recordings, or even ask the Meta AI questions. The app can also store your photos and videos for expanded backup space, but the frames themselves also hold up to 32 gigabytes of flash storage space. And that's pretty much it. I'd say if you missed the first generation of these glasses and want to be able to take the upgraded photos and videos, as well as take phone calls or listen to music, then I'd highly recommend grabbing these glasses. I know the AI stuff can be a turnoff for some, but you really don't need to use it, and you'd still get all the other great features. What you also get from buying from us at RX Safety is the ability to customize these glasses with your preferred lenses with prescription at the best available price possible. Take a look at the next generation of Ray-Ban Meta glasses on our website at rx-safety.com.